Hi guys, good evening. Today is midnight. Samahan niyo ako, magawa tayo ng adobo. Ano ko muna siya marinate. Iba kasi yung ano naman dito, wala na siyang pork belly na siya, pero walang skin. I'm so tired. Is she done?
Oh, no, not yet.
Yeah, isasok ko siya ng Dr. Pepper. Wala kasi akong ano. There's no more. Hoy! Look what you did today. Danny, haluan ko siya ng ribs. Look, she's here, waiting. Billy, there is no more. There is no more. Okay? No more. It's not all the time Christmas. Billy, no more. Look at her. Billy, no more. No more Billy. No more Billy. There's no more Billy. Kawawa naman. Bibi ko, oy. You're so full. You got ice cream. Yeah. Go ahead, Daddy. Go to bed if you wanted to. I thought you'd take a nap. Did you eat fruits?
No, I don't want to right now either.
Yeah. Pork. Kaya yan. Daddy, see, because got
Okay, well, how many do you want? One, two?
Just one.
Just one, all right. There we go. Okay,
Thank you.
I'm off to bed here.
Okay. Dark soy sauce. Gusto ko yung dark soy sauce. Ano pa ba? Dark soy sauce at saka iwan ko. Lagyan daw ito ng inasal ba? Bakulod style. Tingnan natin. Lagyan natin ng inasal. Ay! Bakulod style. Marinade. And then, lagyan ko siyang Dr. Pepper. Tapos, lagyan ko ng ano siya, oh. I'll be right back. Guys, lutuin na natin to. Oh. Ayaw ko nang lagyan ng ano eh. Ayaw ko nang lagyan ng oil kasi taba-taba na. Ayan guys, nakit na na yun. Ay naku, bakit malamig? natin yung garlic. Garlic powder naman kasi wala akong. Medyo ang garlic. Tapos, saka ko na ilagay yung sauce. Isimmer ko na siya. Sana, ito ko muna. Like that. Ayan na guys. It's like 45 minutes later. Dito ko na lang siya inanasa kawali kasi mahirap sa pot. Ano yung adobo ko? Time check is 1:42 in the morning. Hindi pa ako tulog. Just a bit after this. Kasi malambot. Ayan na. Ang chocolate. Right back. Shit. Ayan lang guys. Luto na ata ito. Ang kain ng adobo. Luto pala. Luto ko ng adobo. Ayan.